Present progressive. Listen and repeat. What's he doing? He's drinking beer. Is she running? Yes, she is. What's he eating? He's eating chicken. Is she eating or drinking? She's eating. What's she eating? She's eating spaghetti. Is he playing the piano? No, he's not. He's playing the drums. Is the horse running? Yes, it is. What's he doing? He's waking up. Is she writing? No, she's not. She's reading. Is she reading or writing? She's writing. Is he opening the window? No, he's not. He's opening the door. Are they running? No, they're not. They're talking. Are they playing football? Yes, they are. What are they doing? They're shopping.